You're gonna make me check it out. Oh well, it's gone now. Hello my beautiful bees, yes I am in my dressing gown because I'm nice and I'm cozy and it is winter here, so I'm allowed to be. Shush, I know it's in America. I just came back from America and it was amazing and you'll be seeing more videos about that soon, but for now we have something exciting. Okay, I keep clapping when I'm excited because I'm trying to get my point across. So basically today is going to be a video about my hair. So I have never had like a decent haircut. Like I've always had my hair trimmed because you know you got to trim hair to keep it healthy so you have no split ends or things like that, but I've never had like a decent haircut where I've just sort of gone whamp. So that is what we are doing today. This is not clickbait, the title is real. I'm literally getting rid of that much hair. So for those of you who haven't seen, my hair is like it's very long. It's very long. It's actually down, so when I like sit down I can like put it on my legs. So we are going to chop it all off, I guess. So I've wanted to do this for a while and I've been tossing up and turning between like cutting it short and keeping it long because a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, your hair's so long, don't cut it, it's beautiful. But I feel like my hair is at the point where it's almost too long. So when I've done modeling jobs and things like that, they want to do something cool to my hair, but then they're like, oh no, that'll take too long, we're not putting it in curls, it's going to take too long to do that. So it ends up just being sort of mediocre when everything else could be so much better. So yes, I do like my long hair because, you know, you feel like a mermaid and you can flirt with it real good. But at the same time, I just never do anything with it. It's either just down or in a ponytail or in a bun, and I never really do anything with it because it's just too much effort. So yeah, today I'm just going to be cutting it all off, and I'm not going to a salon because salons are expensive. My mum's been trimming my hair for a while. A long time. Like 7-8 years maybe. My mum's been doing my hair and I haven't gone to a salon, and do you know how much money I've saved? Because I've never wanted to cut that much off my hair, and because my mum can cut in a straight line, it saves so much money and time and effort, and it's just convenient. So my mum's gonna do that today. So if she messes it up then I'll go to a salon, but initially doing it at home and I can be nice and cozy and comfy. Alright, so step one is basically just washing my hair and brushing it out and doing all that. So be back when I've done that. Alright, so my hair is washed and ready, and you can tell how long that took because I now have the light on because it's getting too dark, and I've taken off my dressing gown, so we are ready to go. Cut to me in a chair. It's time! Oh, can we turn the other light on, you know? Good visibility for the YouTube. I couldn't remember the name of YouTube.
Okay. It's a lot of hair.
Yeah.
I'll cut loose to start off with.
Yes.
You should go
There. Yeah.
under my finger or above my finger?
Where your finger is.
Okay. Really? You sure about this?
You're gonna make me check it out. Oh well,
Right now.
it's gone now. Let's see the hair. Oh.
A lot of hair.
It's all gone.
Okay.
Boom! Oh, it's so much lighter, and it's like... how long is a foot? I'm gonna have to Google how long a foot is, but I feel like that's a foot of hair just gone, and it's so nice, and it's healthy, and it's good, and I can still flip it, you know? I actually feel pretty boss. Like... Alright, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you've ever had a major haircut or just any major changes in your life. That'd be pretty cool to talk to you guys. Please subscribe as well, because I'm going to be making some more crazy videos, and I'd like to get some more stuff out for you guys, you know. When you subscribe, if you put on that bell notification, then you can get post notifications, so you get a notification every time I post a video. Probably won't be another video like this in a long time, because obviously my hair has to have a chance to grow back, but I promise there'll still be cool videos nevertheless. Anyway guys, see you later, hope you have a great night or day wherever you are, and goodbye!